your stores have been open the whole time, then I'm so happy for you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, and in today's video I wanted to share with you guys my haul that I got from Winners when I went shopping on Friday. So I live in Ontario, and for the last month and a half, all of Ontario has been at a stay-at-home order. We have been locked down, and so on Friday, the first phase 1 of Ontario's reopening plan started. Non-essential retail was opened up just at a smaller capacity. So I went to Winners because Winners is like Tjmaxx and Marshalls in Canada. I wanted to see what new makeup they had, some home decor items. I wanted to look at the clothing. Basically, I just missed the store. And so I went and did a little shopping spree. So I wanted to show you guys some of the footage that I got. I did a little bit of a shop with me footage. I'll insert that footage right now of the in-store shopping that I did, so you guys can see what are some of the new items that they have in case you're wondering if you want to go out to your local Winners.
So this is actually the lineup when I was leaving Winners. So after I had already been shopping for like an hour. When I first walked in, I checked out all of the makeup. I didn't see any real new products that really interested me. They definitely had some Too Faced items, BH Zodiac palette. They had lots of stuff on clearance, but nothing that I was really on the hunt for. They also had so many slip-on sandals, all different brands, Champion, all different sizes, Adidas. These Nikes were so cute. I was actually thinking about them, $69. I like these Michael Kors shoes as well. These were $99. And I didn't know that they sold Crocs. They're kids' Crocs, but still. And they have an abundance of sunglasses if you're on the lookout for sunglasses. And I saw some really cute fanny packs. These are actually Kylie and Kendall. They had some clearance Tommy Hilfiger purses. This teal bodysuit is also really pretty. And they also had a lot of really nice lingerie. This is gorgeous little two-piece set. And it was $22.99. They still are rocking some of the tie-dye stuff out here. And then I went and I started looking through the shorts because I'm looking for some biker shorts. They have skirts again. And these biker shorts are $24.99. I have like a 3-pack of shorts in like my Amazon cart right now, so these shorts for like $20 weren't really interesting me, but I just wanted to see what they had. I thought it was hilarious though that like skirts are back and they are coming back so hard. This is $94 for a Puma skirt, and it's going for $39.99 here at Winners. So good price for Puma if you're in the market. They had some sporty tank tops that were marked down as well. Like this Adidas tank top was only $11, so that was pretty cute. I also looked at some of the sports bras here. They were all on clearance, which is a great deal for the summer. Next up, I saw this really cute two-piece set that was matching. Saw some nice Nike hats. Also, over in the electronics, there was a really cool hanging rope, like electronic, different color changing light. And then there was also one of those wake up alarm clocks for $29.99. They had a bunch of these little tiny skateboards. The decor section is always so beautiful. I love this with the aloe, that looks so nice. And over in the home decor, there was some nice paintings and a lot of stuff was marked down. Some nice welcome signs here as well. So much cute home decor. I always like checking out the home decor to see what they have. It gives me inspiration. Lots of greenery. I love this pampas grass. I thought it was so pretty. It's $19.99 for a nice big huge like container of the pampas grass. This wreath is beautiful. They had a lot of beautiful wreaths in. And I looked at some pictures, and I think I am going to take these ones home with me. I really like them. I think they're really pretty. They had a lot of bedding marked down as well. I wish I could have pink bedding. My fiance would not go for pink bedding. They had white as well, and this is $149. They had so much cute organizational stuff, all different sizes. I love the baskets at Winners and Marshalls. I have to look at the baskets. They're so cute. And they literally have a whole aisle just full of baskets, all different sizes and shapes and colors. Whole aisle. I'm in heaven. Absolute heaven. Then I spotted this basket, and it was on clearance for $18, and it is huge. It's really cute. I love it. I always like looking at their acrylic organizers to see what they have for organizing makeup and things around the house. This one with the bamboo is really pretty for $24.99. And here is their like kitchen acrylic organizers. I've been getting into the TikToks where people like organize their fridge, and this is egg tray is adorable for $12.99.
In terms of my haul that I ended up picking up from Winners, I actually did purchase a few things because I just couldn't help it when I saw the clearance stuff. As you can see from the footage, there wasn't a lot of cosmetic items that I was interested in. They didn't have a lot of new stuff out. A lot of the things that I saw on the shelves were from before they shut down 2.5 months ago, so I wasn't really interested in a lot of the cosmetics. But one thing that I did pick up was this BH Cosmetics Glam. Oh, look at the light. Really does reflect. Glam Reflection Smoke Palette. So this was $7.99, and I had seen this actually before the store shut down, and I thought about purchasing it because I actually do have one of the other Glam BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection palettes, and I really like it. I use it a lot. I've actually hit pan on that, where is it, that brown color right there. So I really like the BH quality of their shadows. And when I looked at this smoke palette, I thought it was really neat because it has some really beautiful blues. So I thought that would just be a nice addition to my palette collection. So that was the first item that I ended up picking up. The next couple items that I got were also from the beauty section. I've been watching a lot of skincare videos lately. I binge watched almost all of Hiram's videos, I feel like. I like this girl called Cassandra Banks as well. All of the skincare gurus, all of them say we need to be wearing sunscreen. So I picked up a couple sunscreens. It is summer right now. It's just starting to get nice out. So this one here is the Aveeno Sensitive Skin Mineral Sunscreen. And this is an SPF of 50. I did use this already. This was $7.99 as well. So I thought that was a good price for a deodorant kind of stick roll-on sunscreen. I've used this already, and it does leave a pink, not a white cast on your face, a pink cast on your face. So just a little heads up there, but we need our sunscreen. And then I also picked up this Neutrogena. I know SPF 60 is kind of a scam, but anyway, this is a Neutrogena Ultra Sheer, a daily face sunscreen, and that one was also $7.99. So I just figured I couldn't have enough sunscreens in my collection. It's just safe. Safety first. The next item that I got was kind of I wasn't expecting to find this, but okay. I love acrylic containers to organize my makeup. I just absolutely love it. So this was, where is the price? Let me flip it around. This was $11. So it was marked down because it's missing the big drawer that's right here. So it's supposed to have a drawer that goes here. It's missing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move these all around, and I can even put palettes inside here instead of using it as a drawer. So I really don't care that it's missing one drawer. For $11, I felt like this was a really nice big acrylic organizer, and I need to clean and reorganize my whole makeup room anyway, so I figured this would be a great purchase. The next couple items that I found, let me grab them. I feel like I hit the jackpot when it came to shoes. I've been looking for a few pairs of like running shoes, just comfortable shoes to go walking in, and I saw these. So they're the brand Nautical, and they were, can you see it? They were $16 for a nice pair of white shoes, white on white on white, and they were very, very comfortable. So I grabbed those. I also grabbed this pair of Adidas shoes as well. They were marked down. They were only $28 for a pair of black. I need a new pair of black running shoes. The running shoes I have right now have no like sole support anymore. So anyway, I figured that that was a really good deal for Adidas shoes. Okay, so the next thing that I got, because it's summer, once again, I needed some new sports bras. I thought this one was really cute. It's New Balance. It has the original price tag of $34 on it, and it had it marked down to $9. So I grabbed that. And a couple more things of clothing that I got. I just grabbed a couple more sports bras. So this is just a little 2-pack of sports bras, the green. That was $20 for the 2-pack. I don't know what brand this is. And then I also grabbed these leggings. They have a little pocket on the side there. They were also on clearance. As you can tell, everything I bought was clearance. So they were marked down to $15. They're really, really soft, really buttery smooth. Just little leggings there. And then the next bit of stuff that I got is home decor. So I'm going to have to stand up to show you because it's so big. So 1 second. The next item that I purchased, my life wouldn't be complete without more baskets. So I got this big, gigantic basket. I think it's so cool. Like, look at the shape of it. It's like huge. It is so big. And anyway, once again, can you see the price? $18. So then the next item that I got was this painting. There you go. I wasn't 100% sure on it at first, but once again, it was only $11, and I need a new painting for our bathroom downstairs, so I thought that that might work. And finally, the last thing that I purchased was this big, huge painting as well. Can you see it? It's a nice, big, huge green leaf painting, and it was marked down on clearance. Okay, so that was everything that I picked up at Winners when I went shopping on Friday. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you picked up, if you went out and stood in the lineup and went shopping on Friday when everything reopened. And anyway, if your stores have been open the whole time, then I'm so happy for you. Not. I'm just kidding. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like this. Hit the like button if you enjoy shopping and hauls. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye!